a sequel to my last video. For those of you who have not seen my last video, I will be placing a link here or here. I don't know what side it's going to be on, but you surely are welcome to watch that last video, because in that last video, I was supposed to have done my dining room with it. After I did the kitchen and living room, I mean, I was tired, but that's never here nor there. So today is Tuesday, and I don't know what day this is that you will be watching this video, but I'm going to get this dining room done and that powder room. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, ladies, so I'm just going to clear everything out of the bathroom so I can have a clean slate. And when I clean this bathroom, I like to use the Clorox to clean. This is my least favorite thing to do with cleaning, but I love cleaning. But the bathroom, y'all leave a comment and let me know what's your least favorite thing to clean down at the bottom. This right here is from this sachet thing. It's like a perfume for the bathroom or anywhere in the room to freshen up. It had broken and spilled all over the toilet, so that's what I'm trying to get up. So yeah, it looked nasty, but that's what that was. But the bathroom is nasty, don't get me wrong, so that's why I'm in here trying to get it all done, all cleaned up.
Later.
Grandson's little Jeep from out of there, because he that's where we usually store it when he comes inside and riding it or whatever. And this is pretty much it, ladies. Yeah, I cannot believe that I found her. I can't believe I found her. Y'all ain't gonna understand. I haven't seen this product since I've been here in North Carolina, and finally, and I'm sure it's here. I've seen all different kinds. I'm gonna tell y'all in a minute what it is, what the product is, but I can't believe I found her because I used to have her years ago. And when I say a miracle maker, a miracle shaker, honey, that's what she did. She was a miracle maker and a miracle shaker. You heard? So listen, let me show you this. Yeah, you see it. You see that? Thank you. You like it? Thank you. But this is what I found. She be showing up and showing out. Now I've tried the other waist trainer that everybody is going crazy with, wrapping around 50,000 times or whatever, one size fit all type of stuff. But it did me no justice. It had all of my fat hanging out in the back. It is nothing in. I mean, it looked cute with the skinny girls, and I ain't mad at the skinny girls. Y'all got that. Y'all did that. But baby, this right here, look at her. Now, y'all know, y'all go back and look at that video when I did the deep cleaning, I put the video up there. Y'all gonna see all this hanging out. And it's still hanging out a little bit, but I like it was. And on here it has, and let me just say this, by no means, I am not sponsoring this company or this waist trainer. I am not. I just love it so much because it does great things. For one, it does not roll down when I sit down. It's comfortable. I can wear it all day because it's very comfortable. It has the little, I don't want to say steel, I don't know, the wiring. It has a little wiring, but it's not uncomfortable. It's really not. I've been wearing it all day. So this is the Toxic Haven. It's a waist trainer, and what it say? Slim your waist instantly, which it did. It sure did. It slimmed me up instantly. So, and it says that nine fish scale memory flexi skill bones. I think that's what these are. These little rivets right here. And it says for everyday use: gym, running, yoga, aerobics, jogging, hiking, walking dogs, driving, postpartum recovery, weddings and brides, social and banquet, housework, y'all. Did you hear me? Housework. In the office, it says protecting core muscle groups. About 3 to 4 inch waistline reduction instantly. Make your body curve more attractive. You will be the focus of attention. I don't know if I'm the focus of attention, but it sure gave me my little curve that I used to be back in the day. But anyway, so right now I'm on, I don't know if you can see, but I'm on the first row of clips. And I plan to get to the third row of clips. And then once I get to the third row of clips, I'm gonna downsize and start over from the beginning again until I get this all taken care of. But at the end of the day, I'm still gonna try to eat properly and eat less and eat healthier, because this is not gonna do it by itself. I know that. I may even walk 30 minutes a day, who knows? We'll see. But anyway, thank y'all for stopping by on this channel, and I love y'all. Thank you for your support. And like I said, if you have not already subscribed and you want to be a part of this family, then y'all come on over, because I'll be more than happy to have you here to share my contents with. So until the next time, until the next video, I'll see you guys in the next one.